residency was great, and it was great to be able to use the facilities, to have the expertise of the teacher and the instructors here, and yeah, to get advantage of the tools and everything there. So everything was good and happened great. The original project was to put some glasses together on the wall, to do some installation, and to play on scale, on colors, eventually texture. But it was mainly to realize in 3D some drawing I did before, and then mission accomplished. I did it, and I also took a little step on the side where I did engrave some goblets, and that was not on the original plan, but with what I was able to realize here, then I was able to do more. So the painting was like an endeavor. I never did that before, so I was really concerned and anxious of the result. So I tried different rendering, like matte or glossy, and then the dipping and using also spray. So at the end that was good. I will not do the same way than I did. I first dip into do some dipping, so in a pot, and then spray for the second layer of color. So at the end it worked, but yeah, there was like a learning curve. For the engraved goblets, I also used some painting to go into the grooves, and then that worked well. So for the glass itself, I just blow glass like traditional blowing glass. So that was like one of the points of the work during the residency, was to use traditional techniques and traditional shape to take the functionality away and use them as a canvas on the wall to express something non-functional. It's mostly to redo in reality the drawing I did. I will finish it tomorrow, so I'm pretty happy so far. 96% is done, and I'm happy of the 96% so far, but then, you know, the last mile can be challenging. I did work with a couple students from the Cerfav, as well as Jean-Pierre, which is like the teacher of Cerfav. So that ended up being good as well. I was a bit also concerned. It's hard to change assistant all the time, but then that was good. It worked. That's always great to share with the younger kids around. So that was like they asked a lot of questions. They seems like interested. So that's good to see. It's good to see that maybe they're not all gonna end up on TikTok and making glass blowing. I appreciated the fact that several people opened the doors in the Cerfav for me and took care of me and helped me realizing the project. Jean-Pierre, the teacher, was exceptional, really helping. Anne as well, and some other people really helped to make that come true. And that's a big privilege to be able to blow glass for so long. So it was a great opportunity altogether.